around 97 million jobs, higher than 85 million, will be created by 2025 due to same artificial intelligence. It is high time for the students to learn innovative technologies such as AI, IoT, robotics from an early age to become makers of tomorrow. According to an estimate, it is predicted that 65% of students who are entering primary school nowadays will ultimately end up working in jobs that do not even exist yet. AI and automations are changing the dynamics of jobs. Many companies, such as McDonald's, have already embraced these new dynamics. In 2019, McDonald's acquired a Silicon Valley-based company, Dynamics AI, for about $300 million. It is very interesting to know that Dynamic Yields technology utilizes the power of algorithm to predict the menu items to show to the customers based on various factors like weather, sales trends, time of the day, etc. Thus, it will automate the job of the waiter. Likewise, jobs like telemarketers, bookkeeping clerks, receptionists, and salespeople in advertising or retail, they will also be replaced by AI in the coming future. According to a 2-year-old study from McKinsey, it is predicted that by year 2030, around 30% of world's current human labor will be replaced by robots and intelligent agents. As per McKinsey, automation will displace between 400 to 800 million jobs by 2030. As per the report from World Economic Forum, it is predicted that around 85 million jobs will be replaced by machines with AI by the year 2025. It might sound scary, but it has a positive side too. The same report further predicts that around 97 million jobs, higher than 85 million, will be created by 2025 due to same artificial intelligence. Although AI is capable of creating a fully automated workforce, but still there is always a requirement of a person who knows how to create, handle, develop, and deploy AI programs. Thus, there will always be a requirement for someone who understands how AI technology works. So, it is high time for the students to learn innovative technologies such as AI, IoT, robotics from an early age so that they will secure a better future with lucrative job opportunities. As per Glassdoor, the pay scale of a robotic engineer is as high as 21 lakhs per annum. Imagine how much it will be a decade from now. We here at Tinkerly understand the importance of teaching young minds the fundamentals of AI, IoT, robotics at an early age through our coding courses. A play-based curriculum incorporates STEM learning kits as a part of our coding course. It multiplies the fun and enhances the learning outcomes of young minds. Our goal is to educate children with futuristic skills that will help them become makers of tomorrow.